everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you dreaming of a career in AI and machine learning? Want to work on cutting edge projects with a global leader? Well, Genpact is hiring for management trainee role, which is data science consultant right now. So in this video, I will break down the job responsibilities, required skills and certifications, along with expected salary, perks, and how you can apply to it. So stay till the end, hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest AI and ML job offerings. So let's understand about the Genpact. So as they have mentioned that it's a global professional service solution firm delivering outcomes that save the future, and they have around 1,25,000 plus people across 30 plus countries, and driven by innate curiosity, entrepreneurial agility, etc. So let's directly come to the responsibility section of this particular job. So as you can see over your screen here, they have mentioned that creation of innovative models to candidate needs, along with developing AI and ML models for text and numeric, graph and speech data, along with working with TensorFlow, PyTorch, and deep learning frameworks, deploying machine learning models for production, solving business problems using statistical and quantitative methods, along with implementing data science solution for enterprise client. So these are all going to be your roles and responsibilities. Just go through it once before applying to this particular job. Let's come to the qualification required for this particular job. So as they have mentioned that you must be a BTech in computer science, IT or ECE or any related fields to be eligible for this particular role. Along with that, you must have strong communication skill and programming language skills in Python or Java is a plus. If you have a Java language, it's going to be a added advantage. Also, you should have experience with machine learning, uh, like support vector machine, decision tree, ANN, CNN algorithm, RNN, along with some deep learning frameworks, for example, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. Also, you should have the knowledge of SQL and NoSQL databases. And along with that, you must have the exposure to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud platform. And the perks that you would be getting here, as they have mentioned, that you'll get a very good career growth, mentorship opportunities. Along with that, you will get a competitive salary, mentorship, working on AI/ML technologies with a global client, and that's it. That you are going to get a great advantage of working in such type of company like Genpact. So this is going to be an amazing opportunity to kickstart your career in AI and machine learning with a global tech leader. So apply now. The link for the same would be shared in the description. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more job alerts. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I would be happy to help. That's it from my end. See you in the next video.